As a demonstration of the pump problem, we unplugged the primary pump and we filled up the pit to trigger the backup pump. As you can hear, the alarm is going off that the battery is been activated and has lost some of its charge. And hopefully you can hear the pump running, but you can clearly see no water is moving out of the pump. I will continue to let this run for another 30 seconds or so to show water is not moving. I understand backup pumps run a little bit slower than primary pumps, but there's not that much water in here. It is not moving. I'm going to go ahead and plug in the primary pump to show that the line is not clogged and that water can be displaced. The primary pump has been engaged and has removed the water to a level below the backup pump. Now also, since the second installer removed the check valve, water in the line now returns back into the pit through the pump. Hopefully you can hear the water dripping in.